Aman gini kami kalabari kapdun jet.
Oh, ano na bari ka berapa na?
Mali di siga persisa ni juru re.
Yes, kita itu kayak.
Persisa kami.
You guys, what are you talking about?
Dan itu.
Yes, yeah.
Agak naga persisa sama kanke.
Teacher Jenkins.
Ye, ai persisa jenis imbare juga.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ish.
Okay, you're new for me.
Bukan amalali ka ani harad. Lagam te kain tu fe amma be ka aku ani online number chanture offline number chunu fe malle.
Oh, now aku?
Aku kami tu wala ana joma ingilipa.
It's 100 sure is good, man.
Ya,
Red I appreciate it.
amma kanan jadu. Isi futan itu orang manakap tu.
Thank you.
Isi ka kostumera kan gestumera. Ye. Pasti saja Emre dulu kamu ko dare. Kostumera kan gestumera. Amma tunga enta. Amma lali gana manara si dogo tunjere jadi sada. Sini balala karan si di ba urgufam tu ai. Amma ga arada da ga ka ke tumudi nati kabatta. Urgufam tu. Amma me uppunga sotte ngili panga ko sotta. Bala sini. Dah? Oh, ye, amma ainda imbar eda juga. Amma lari kantara masih nata esanatu. Aku mau sene nanti bare denu pise malle. Alu ti sheyu nanti kolle lari ga nanti bare de malle. Amma olmat ete pise imbar. Amate atila bari kapju jaden. Memadalle nara sika panis mudi nanti kapacu barbadi. Mas andi sika anmi rumah kesang gala udah makangke.
Kan kamu? Darat.
Anille shibure bas kada jat amadi sunamne amma shiba bas kada na pamana ko tur amma sapana ada banera amma nakam tiada ka cara kosmo korada ingili pas barada jadendu. Ye. Amma tato boleh sakap dah.
Boleh sama? Enggak.
Me foto sana tar kisi siganta
Kisi sare, gitu.
Ye makasati ni po ibare amalali ka aku marke di jaja sage salalu data be
Nanti sini bare de bare.
ugamu
Juga.
tisna men amawan sinjan ye amat
Oke, saya simpan dulu.
masih kimo isiga amma male ko beta wari ka jika natu jawabu follow two burders Buktiale amma sembura la mo buran ame sudi
Ini udah terlihat dulu.
persisa ku fera
Hey
ta
guys, are you ready? Okay, it's cool. Okay guys, how are you? Okay, how's your life? How's your day Monday? It's good, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, it's good. Okay, today we will learn the math words, and today our math word says that apolofana. So, apolofana means something or someone we appreciate from. Gamma pictures? All of you is gamma pictures? Okay. All of you is prepare one example and I will ask you one by one. Gamma picture? Okay, starting from you. Sister, would you mind to give me one example?
Me?
First.
Sorry, teacher. I don't have a clue about it.
You don't have a club, Aziz. But you say, I got it, yeah? Okay, both of you now see. But be careful, okay? Okay, starting
Okay.
from you.
Me?
You mind to give me one example?
Sorry, teacher. I don't know.
You sorry. Perhaps you don't know about yourself work. Okay, be careful. Okay, sis? Sis?
Hey, sis. Sis.
persisa dia bitani itu
Yeah. What was your name? Let me not forget it. What was your name?
maka aku shibure ulikadam bali
Oh, it's good. Okay, would you mind to give me one example on our topic?
ai persisa ada guyuma tu koti amalali ka
What?
obolesa si ye
What are you talking about? I said give me one example.
amalali ka anapilo pa ye chan nama pa ye jalla tang jette mi amalali obolesa si aku market ni jaga sa ke
I'm
salam
asking about your brothers.
kada si inapu ka jelte
Are you ready, sister? Are you welcome?
maratu si ana maratu kufantu ai
Okay, now would you mind to be out of here?
Imbau si amalali ka ye imbare de nantu kante ana pot sanat ama aku ma docente klasi nanti bukan ai mata dese ye
Okay.
mata dese maliawa kayo aku kun namoota biyya ormaas fidee asitti qaacaruu jalqabee dhimaan teree ati amma suudaan yookiin immoo gaamela